Maintaining off-season equipment is extremely important to the West Virginia Department of Transportation. This week, we take a look at some of that work being done here at the District 10 Maintenance Garage. Winter is snow and ice removal season for the Department of Highways, but looking ahead to spring is also a top priority this time of year.
We also bring in our paving machines, our rollers, our mowers, and heavy equipment, and we prepare them for the upcoming season because we know we're rolling on with the Secondary Roads Initiative. So,
from painting to prevent rust to completely replacing engines, maintenance workers in District 10 are busy prepping for warmer weather.
we do our preventive maintenance, and our mechanics go over them front to back and fix any little things they find that might not be an issue today, but it might be an issue tomorrow, so we can keep things rolling, so we can keep the asphalt rolling.
In 2019, 27,000 miles of maintenance work was completed through the governor's Secondary Roads Initiative. Spring of 2020 is shaping up to be even busier, and crews around the state plan to be prepared.
I have a great team here. I'm so proud of all of the men and women that work here. They do an excellent job. We got really good support from Charleston for everything we need in our equipment division in Buchanan. They support us as well, and we're ready to keep the wheels turning.
Be sure to stay with us for all things happening with the West Virginia Department of Transportation. We'll see you next week on WVDOT in Motion.